Hi, my name is Victoria and I work in occupational therapy at Worcestershire Acute Hospital's NHS Trust. After your surgery, getting around the house can be a bit tricky, so we've put together a short clip on how to get items out of the fridge safely. To get an item out of the fridge, place your sticks on top of the work surface, and with one hand on the work surface, put your operated leg out behind you. You can then safely reach forward to get something out of the fridge. Do not bend over the fridge door. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us on the following details.